there are similarities between gambling, I suppose, and trading, in that most people actually approach trading almost as though they are gambling. But professional gamblers, the ones who consistently make profits from gambling, and there are people who do that and make a profession out of it, especially if you look at poker players. Poker players are a perfect example. They apply money management rules to the way in which they approach their poker playing. They have a stop loss, a point at which they walk away, and after they've made a certain amount of capital, they'll put the money in their pocket so that they don't dip into their winnings. And it's almost like some of the different strategies that we're going to talk about today, things like stop losses, trailing stops, setting our maximum position size, and those sort of things. There really are some close similarities there. So I think you just need to make sure that you approach trading as a professional, as a business owner, as opposed to gambling like so many traders do. I think this kind of leads into the idea why so many traders fail, I think, and it's to do with that gambling mentality. To be successful trading, it really does require a lot of counterintuitive actions. Like most people, when they're faced with a losing situation, want to hold on to that losing trade or whatever until the point they get back to break even. And the reason that is, their ego gets in the way and they don't want to be wrong. And the counterintuitive action, which is what you should be taking in trading, which we all know these things, is you want to be cutting your losses short. And there are so many instances throughout, when you look at trading, there's so many instances when to be successful at trading, you need to take the counterintuitive reaction and not follow your emotions. And I think that's what I admire definitely about what Brian does. Brian always talks about, trading as a business, and, having a business plan, a trading plan that you follow. And that's absolutely key, because when you have that trading plan all set out and you've got your rules that you follow even before you get into the trade, you don't fall into that emotion and go for whatever's intuitive. You've thought it out properly, and then hopefully, if you follow your system, you can start to take the counterintuitive steps to become successful. So when it comes to money management, money management is a core piece of all successful trading systems that I've ever seen. Now, being sort of a coach, and having worked with hundreds and hundreds of clients over the years, and having studied a lot of the greats as well, every single successful trading system I've ever seen has really solid money management rules within that system.